Look at this. This is my Igbo Nigerian name gift. Let's unbox it together, isn't it? Beautiful.
My gift is the name Chinazor, meaning God saves.
I wear my Igbo Nigerian name gift everywhere I go. It connects me to the continent and to my African ancestors. I got it from Chukwunonso Captures. I found him on social media and DM'd him for an Igbo Nigerian name gift. I told him about the things I wanted to manifest into my life, and about the connection to my family's deeper ancestral identity that I yearned for, and then he gave me the perfect Igbo Nigerian name. I was so excited. At first, I didn't really feel any different, but gradually as time went on, I felt inspired to read more about Igbo Nigerian culture and history. My heart began to well up with pride. I started taking better care of myself and improved my life in so many ways because now I knew my ancestors, so I could not let them down.